The 3 victims were part of a CX's
Fucker riding a pussy.